As the brand's most significant inline project in the United States, New Balance's Made in USA campaign has been flourishing under Teddy Santis' leadership. In order to give depth to this imposing collection, NB has depended on its other concrete pillars, such as the 990v6, even though the New Balance 992's return has been alluring in the hype as it starts its newest phase. As May draws to an end, we're anticipating what's coming up in June. Among the releases for next month is the 990v6 Silo in the shade Inkwell, which is paired with a traditional dad shoe color scheme that incorporates gray accents across the upper. The white and gray color blocking of the midsole is still traditional, but the yellow accent at the heel adds to the lifestyle look that ALD and NB have been able to promote since 2021. In June, these should be available for $200 on newbalance.com and at NB shops.